Israel's June 23 airstrike on Tehran's notorious Evin prison has sparked global outrage and deepened humanitarian concerns. The attack, part of a broader military campaign targeting regime infrastructure, reportedly killed at least 71 people, including inmates, staff, and visiting family members. Iranian officials later raised the toll to 80, citing additional casualties among civilians and soldiers. Evin prison, long associated with political repression, housed dissidents, journalists, and foreign nationals. The strike occurred during visiting hours, amplifying the chaos and devastation. Survivors described scenes of panic, collapsed buildings, and the stench of death lingering in the air. Among the dead was Tehran's top prosecutor, Ali Ganatkar, known for his role in sentencing activists. Following the attack, prisoners were hastily relocated to overcrowded facilities like Qarchak and the Grand Tehran Penitentiary. Human rights advocates warn of deteriorating conditions, with reports of torture, lack of medical care, and enforced disappearances. Nobel laureate Narges Mohammadi, herself a former inmate, condemned the strike as a war crime and called for international scrutiny. Israel's defense ministry defended the operation, citing intelligence-led targeting of government repression bodies. But critics argue the strike violated international law, blurring the line between military objectives and civilian harm.
Combat years of Afghanistan. Now, this official mistakenly believed that they were sending the names of 150 applicants. However, the spreadsheet in fact contained personal information associated to 18,714 Afghans who had applied either to the ex gratia or the Arat scheme on or before the 7th of January 2022. It contained names and contact details of applicants and, in some instances, information relating to applicants' family members. Now, previous government ministers first became aware of this was a serious departmental error. It was in clear breach of strict data protection protocols, and it was one of many data losses relating to the Arat scheme during this period. Second, those who pose a challenge to the Taliban rule now. Mr. Speaker, to date, 900 ARR principals are in Britain or in transit, together with 3,600 family members, at a cost of around £400 million. From today, there will be no new ARR offers of relocation to Britain. From today, the route is now closed. However, we will honour the 600 invitations already made to any named persons still in Afghanistan and their immediate family. When this nation makes a promise, we should keep it. Mr. Speaker, this serious data incident should never have happened. It may have occurred 3 years ago under the previous government, but to all those whose information was compromised, I offer a sincere apology today on behalf of the British government. It follows a lengthy process. Mr. Speaker, my first concern has been to notify as many as possible affected by the data incident and provide them with further advice. The MOD has done this morning, although I have to say to the House it has not been possible to contact every individual on the dataset due to its incomplete and out-of-date information.
Secretary of State James Cartledge.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.